how to remove Powered by Shopify. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into your site shopify.com. Also, you have to make sure that you are logged into your specific account. Once you're on your account, what you want to do is make them themes and then make them wonder what they are talking about. Tap on three dot. Tap on edit default theme content. It will lead you to this page. It will show you all the content that you have made before. Inside Powered by Shopify, we have to erase and then write the things that you have been facing right now. Once it is done, the next thing you're gonna do is simply tap on save at the top right corner when it's done. Well, that's it, and this is simply how you can remove Powered by Shopify. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching until the end.